Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can remove your Microsoft account from your Windows 11. First, what you want to do is go to this Windows icon here, right click and go to settings. When you're here, go to settings and accounts, like right here, and then scroll down into your info. Click on it. When you're here, you can click on this button. So right now, you're actually signing in with the Microsoft account into your PC, but you can click on this, which is sign in with a local account instead. Click on it. Click next. And you can type in the PIN of your PC. Alright. And now you can change the name to whatever you want. Let's try to hit next. And you can sign out and finish. Now when you click sign out and finish, this will automatically remove your Microsoft account from the PC that you're logging in with, and it will log in with your local account. So yeah, now you know how to remove your Microsoft account from your Windows. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.